how to make homemade insecticides to kill insects and insect eggs in your garden. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. Today we're gonna be talking about how to get rid of insects in your garden, and I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade insecticide for your garden. So we're gonna use simple ingredients that you have at home to make the homemade insecticide. So we want to start with simple items like dish detergent and regular vegetable oil. So we can do that. If you have any regular vegetable oil, you can use that, but you can also use neem oil. Neem oil will give you a better result. If you don't have neem oil, you can use regular vegetable oil to do it. So let's get started with this. So what we're gonna do now, just get a sprayer like this, or a smaller sprayer, whatever sprayer you can find. If you have one, if you don't have one, it costs like $1 at the store. So get a sprayer like this. I just fill it with regular water. I just do half of the bottle with regular water, and then what we need is we need 1 tablespoon Dawn dish soap. 1 tablespoon Dawn dish soap. So put a tablespoon of Dawn dish soap, or any other dish soap that you have. Tablespoon like that. Tablespoon like that should be fine. So I'm spilling it already. So you just put a tablespoon of dish soap in there. And then you want to put a tablespoon of neem oil. Just want to make sure you mix it up a little bit before you use it. You can use 2 tablespoons of oil if you want. The oil is gonna help stick to the insects, and it's gonna kill them, and the eggs of the insects is gonna be able to kill them. So and you want to make sure that you spray. You do this and you spray your plants later on in the evening, or when it's not very hot, because if the weather is very hot, it's gonna the oil is gonna kill the plants. So you want to do that when it's not too hot outside. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna close it. You just want to shake the mixture up before you use it. Shake the mixture up, and then we can use it. So this mixture can be in here for 3-4 months. You can use it. If you don't use all of it at once, you can use it for a couple of months, no problem. So test the mixture in a small area and wait a couple of hours or a day, just to ensure that the mixture does not burn the leaves before you apply it to the rest of the garden. I don't know if you can see, but there's some flies there, and the flies are just moving around, and underneath the leaves you can see they lay their eggs underneath the leaves like that. So you just want to make sure that you spray it in order to get rid of all the flies and everything that's insects that are eating it. So this is a better one right here. You can see right there, you can see the insect right there. This one is moving. You see all the white in the middle right there. All of them, those are all insects that are eating the plants right now. So it's killing the plants. That's why most of the plants are turning into yellow. So I'm gonna spray it, and that should help the plants, and it should kill all the insects and the eggs. So we're gonna spray it now with our insecticide. You just want to spray out the leaves, and you also want to spray underneath the leaves. This homemade insecticide needs to come in contact with the insects or the eggs in order for it to kill it. So that's why you need to flip over the leaves or turn over the leaves and spray underneath, so that way it gets in contact with the insects and the eggs, and that should be able to eliminate all the insects and the eggs once and for all. Okay, 24 hours later, let's take a look at it and see how the homemade insecticide did. As you can see, most of them are dead. See, all of them are dead. You can see all of them have changed into some sort of brownish color, and they're no longer moving. So I think the insecticide did a great job of killing everything. Even under the leaves, it killed all the eggs and the insects that were under the leaf. Okay, if you have other great homemade ideas, organic ideas to kill insects in the garden, please leave them in the comments below, so that way we can learn from you too. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so that way you get notified on all upcoming videos. And thanks for watching.